Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a particular song on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a song that you would like to share with your friends, either from the home page that you can see here. There are many subcategories that might be of your interest. If you click on the explore button, you can also explore new songs by their mood or genre. So if you have found a song that you want to share, click on the three dots icon next to its title and then scroll down till you find this last option, share. As you can see, you have a bunch of options here. You can either copy the link, send it via Instagram, messages, Facebook or Messenger, Gmail, Reddit, Facebook, Snapchat, and other options. If you click on the more icons, such as the airdrop is also available to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.